BrainSpace presents psychology tips to get your ex back. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of psychology to help you understand how to get your ex back. Whether you're looking to rekindle an old flame or mend a broken heart, understanding human behavior and emotional connections can give you a significant edge. Relationships can be complex, and breakups even more so. But sometimes, with the right approach and a bit of psychological insight, it's possible to rekindle a relationship. Let's explore some effective psychological strategies to help you reconnect with your ex. Tip number 1. Understand why the breakup happened. This is crucial. Reflect on the reasons behind your breakup without placing blame. Was it due to a lack of communication, differing life goals, or maybe unresolved conflicts? Understanding the root cause helps you address these issues. Grab a pen and paper and jot down what went wrong. Honest reflection is your best friend here. Tip number 2. Work on self-improvement. Next up, use this time apart to become a better version of yourself. This doesn't mean changing who you are fundamentally, but rather enhancing your strengths and addressing your weaknesses. Read books, pick up a new hobby, or focus on your fitness. Becoming the best version of yourself can naturally attract your ex back to you. Remember, the goal is self-growth, not to manipulate or guilt-trip your ex into coming back. Tip number 3. Give them space. Constantly reaching out or appearing needy can push them further away. Instead, give them the time and space to miss you. This can help them reflect on the relationship and appreciate what they had. Use this time wisely to focus on your healing and growth. Tip number 4. Re-establish communication. Once you've both had some space, re-establish communication. Start with casual, friendly messages. Avoid discussing the relationship or the breakup initially. The goal here is to rebuild rapport and remind them of the positive aspects of your connection. Tip number 5. Leverage the scarcity effect. Psychologically, people value what they can't easily have. This is known as the scarcity effect. Show that you are moving on and enjoying your life. Post pictures of yourself having fun, pursuing new interests, and spending time with friends. This can create a sense of urgency and remind your ex of your positive qualities. It's important to be genuine, though. Don't fake it, because authenticity shines through. Tip number 6. Use the power of nostalgia. Tap into the power of nostalgia. Gently remind them of the good times you shared together. This could be a reference to a memorable trip, a favorite song, or an inside joke. Nostalgia can reignite feelings and remind them why they fell in love with you in the first place. Be subtle and positive. The goal is to bring back happy memories, not to dwell on what went wrong. Tip number 7. Be open to change. Be open to change and compromise. Understand that you and your ex might need to adjust to make the relationship work again. Show a willingness to grow together and address the issues that led to the breakup. Healthy relationships require effort and flexibility from both sides. Tip number 8. Use positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement to highlight changes and improvements. When communicating with your ex, acknowledge any positive changes they've made and share your own progress. This builds a positive atmosphere and reinforces the idea of a new, better relationship. Positive reinforcement encourages both of you to continue growing and improving. Tip number 9. Reignite the emotional connection. Reignite the emotional connection by showing empathy and understanding. Listen to their concerns, share your feelings honestly, and rebuild trust. Emotional connection is key to rekindling a romantic relationship. Rebuilding emotional intimacy can pave the way for a renewed relationship. Tip number 10. Be patient and respectful. Finally, be patient and respectful. Reconnecting takes time, and pushing too hard can backfire. Respect their boundaries and give them the space to come back to you naturally. Patience and respect show that you value them as a person, not just as a partner. Getting back together with an ex isn't guaranteed, but these psychological strategies can improve your chances and help you build a healthier relationship. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content on relationships and self-improvement.